Hey Snowflake, want to go on another date together?
Oh my god, yes. I would love to. Where to?
To a dance party.
Wow, really? Of course, I'll come. When is this dance party date gonna be?
Tonight?
How exciting! Thank you for inviting me.
I suggest you put your party grooves on cause we're about to party.
Oh yeah, of course we are.
Come on, let's go. We are here. Wow, look at the disco lights.
This is kind of freaking me out.
Oh Snowflake, wait up.
Oh Prince, there's a better view from up here. Come.
Oh okay, coming.
I actually think the music is cool, but the lights is a bit much. Lol.
Yeah, I agree. But we can still dance, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, let's dance.
Wow, the lights.
This is by far the best light show I've ever seen. Ooh, maybe there's a better view from here.
Oh, okay.
Should we go now?
Yeah, let's go.
That was so cool. I've never been to one of those dance parties.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it too. This brings us to the end of another shorter video. Let's go home now.
Okay. Thank you for watching another of our videos. Can you believe it's our 6th video?
Wow.
See ya in the next video.
Bye.